Business owner Lanni Duong is one of many who have started a small online beauty business during the pandemic. Her business, Lanni Nails It, has found great success, with her products offering a convenient, efficient, and contactless way for people to get their nails done.
I've had so many clients come up to me and tell me, hey, oh my God, I think what you're doing is so great. First of all, I don't have to spend 4 hours at the nail salon to do my nails, and also it's contactless.
With many salons closed for undetermined periods, some may think these small online beauty businesses could pose a threat to them, but marketing professor Robert Soroka disagrees.
Their operating expenses are higher and they're a higher percentage of their sales, so they're not going to be enjoying the same type of margins that a larger business will. And even the larger businesses who are compromised with their margins, they have more cushion to allow them to sustain themselves.
However, with the ever-changing restrictions in Montreal due to the pandemic, salon owners have had to change their business model in order to keep their businesses afloat.
People in the industry had to pivot and had to somehow maintain some kind of revenue coming in, because when you're closed and you do services, you have to figure out a different way to make money.
One of the ways salon owners did that was to start including product packages, or kits, that allow customers to get salon results from the safety of their home.
They were able to supply the clients with the products that they were used to, the high quality products, the spa product.
Thornhill believes that the changes made will end up benefiting salon owners in the long run, even once the pandemic is over.
So your business is going to come back, your spa business is going to come back, and what's going to happen is now you will also have another business. You will have increased your revenue.
Victoria Blair, The City, Montreal.